The Evolution 2 has been on the market since 2011 and we consider it the best on the market. It was the only machine with guaranteed accuracy and it had been copied through style and function on a number of occasions. We considered it was still the best. The quality is there, but we wanted to see if we could do something better. So we reviewed the design of the Evolution 2, and one of the things that we found is common between all cutters of that suspend the bar from each end is that it sags in the middle. So like a bridge going across a river, which would have support either from the top or from underneath to keep it flat, we needed to design something that would overcome that problem so that we had a flat rather than a sagging surface. Well, let's imagine you're cutting a long pop-up display unit. I'll demonstrate with the ruler. Let's support this between two boxes. And you can see that you have a larger gap at this end and at the other end than you do in the middle. This is exaggerated, obviously, but what it does demonstrate is that it's easy in the middle to line up to a crop line or a measurement mark, but when you get to the end, it's very difficult because you have parallax errors come into play dependent upon the angle at which you view and the alignment of the crop line to the edge of the sightline strip. So if you want to lower the end here down so that you can line it up, you then have a problem because you're in contact in the middle. So if you try and adjust your pop-up at this end, it will rotate about the middle and take it out of adjustment at the far end. So in short, it means that two people are required to be able to align each end of the pop-up to get the accuracy. Clearly we couldn't have a supporting structure either underneath or above. So with clever design of the aluminium extrusions, the way they nest together, we were able to, with a single adjustment screw, in the end, have an adjustment whereby the customer can adjust the sag to give them a perfectly horizontal cutter. So even with a small 1.6 metre cutter, we can demonstrate the sag. Got 3 pieces of 3mm foam board. Place one under each end and that will not go under. So with a single Allen key, so with the adjustment on the bar, it means that we can now get our material underneath. We've got a very small gap here and that is free along the whole length. And irrespective of the length of the cutter, it works the same even on the longest 5.1 metre. And now we're getting close to creating a one-person job, which was previously 2 person.